Okay, we now take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and try to give me answer which is short, brief, to the point, but your answer should cover the question. Like in 4 or 5 sentences, you can give me a good answer and try to connect your ideas together using some conjunctions or linking words. Okay. So your topic is trees, and my first question is, what kind of trees do people usually plant in your country?
Mostly trees of fruits, mostly in my country.
Most of the people plant fruit trees in my country. Now further develop this idea, elaborate this idea.
Most of the people in my country plant fruit trees because plant trees provides fruit.
Fruit trees provide fruit, and people like the fruit, especially oranges, mangoes. So most of the people, they prefer to plant fruit trees in their houses. Just try to elaborate a little more, all right? Just have some confidence, don't worry, okay? Just relax.
Okay.
Have you ever planted trees?
Yes, recently 2 months back I have planted.
When you say 2 months back, then don't say I have planted. Simply say 2 months back I planted.
2 months back I planted a mango tree in my house, and it's
it's a small plant now, but I think in a couple of years it will turn into a tree, and then I will eat mangoes from my own tree. आगे भी तो बताना है ना कि क्या होगा, बच्चा ही तो नहीं रहेगा ना, पौधा बड़ा होगा, then there will be mangoes and all that, right? So फिर ਅਸੀਂ ਅੰਬ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ. Yeah, let's go on. Do you like planting trees?
Yes, of course I like planting trees because these days it is very necessary to plant trees in my country because of increasing global warming issues. We have to plant more and more trees to decrease this issue.
Exactly. I mean, you have the knowledge, but now you are a little confused. You don't know how to answer and all that. Just overcome that feeling.
Okay.
Let's go on. Why are there many trees in the gardens?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Why are there many trees in the garden, or why there are trees in the garden? Whenever we go to the garden, we see many trees. Why are there trees in the garden? Say, trees are the beauty of garden. Without trees, there is no garden. Therefore, people plant many trees in the garden because garden is a place where you can see grass and plants and trees. Therefore, trees are the beauty of the garden, and we can see many trees in any garden. Like that, okay? All right, let me just go on. One last question. Do you think we should plant more trees?
Yes, of course. We have to plant more trees in our country because plants provide oxygen, which is very necessary for human health, and due to increasing global warming issues in our country and increasing air pollution, we have to plant more and more trees to overcome these.
Very good. This is good. So you have the potential, by the way. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता English निकलेगी बाहर. अभी निकलनी शुरू हुई है. So you'll be fine, inshallah. Your turn, please. Mike इनको दीजिएगा. So we are going to go on. For you, the topic is decoration, and I'm going to ask you some questions, and you can reply. What is the decoration like in your home?
Sorry?
What is the decoration like in your home? Say, in my home, we have a traditional decoration from Pakistan. Like, my home is decorated according to our traditions. Like in the TV lounge, we've got beautiful sofas, there are some paintings on the wall, and there are beautiful curtains, something like that. So, what is the decoration like in your house?
I like the decoration in my house like an ancient building, like
listen. The question is not about what you like. The question is, what is the decoration like? Means, how is the decoration in your house? आपके घर की decoration कैसी है?
Okay.
In my house, we have a very decent decoration, right? And then explain that. So, what is the decoration like in your house?
My house is decorated like a normal house.
Very good.
The people are living. As far as the living room has been decorated as the persons can easily sit and can cool and calm themselves.
Okay, that's good, but just for a start. What kind of decoration do you like? Now, I like colorful decoration. I like beautiful decoration, especially paintings on the wall, beautiful curtains, big windows with comfortable sofas. This type of decoration is my favorite. ऐसे कुछ बोलना है, right? So, what kind of decoration do you like?
Well, as far as my concerns,
As far as I am concerned,
as far as I am concerned, I like the updated beautiful walls and colorful pictures on the hoardings on the pictures, and I like the very beautiful curtains that will be on the windows, and I like things updated.
okay, that's fine. So you use the word I like, I like, I like. Try to use other words. I like, I love, I am keen on, my most favorite, I am fond of. Try to use a variety. That will bring you more bench score. Do people in your country like to decorate their houses?
Yeah, obviously people love to decorate their houses because they the place where they are living, it is one person's oneself's inner feeling to where they are living. They need to they want to clean and as far as decorate the places because cleanly. अब तो से टॉपिक थोड़ा हट गया।
Cleanliness, yeah, you're going beyond the topic now. So, do people like decorating their houses? Yes, in my country, people like to decorate their house, and some people have a great taste to decorate their house. If the people belong to rich families, they can always decorate their houses according to Italian style. Some people decorate their houses according to American style. On the other hand, the middle class people, they use the traditional village style to decorate their houses. But all the people in my country, they love to decorate their houses. Just categorize it and speak just according to the question. Don't go here and there. Let's go on. What is your favorite color when decorating your house?
I like multiple colors while decorating my house. Most of the all I like appealing colors like yellow, red, black, and brown. These type of colors, are appealing to the eye-catching colors. That's
Okay,
most
so
I like.
whenever it comes to decorating my house, my favorite colors are like yellow, green, orange, and red. At the end, you can conclude your answer. So gradually it will be fine. Now you understand at least how to answer and what to do. And this book has got all the questions. You've got the book. You can prepare all the questions from here. There are around like 80-90 topics. So go through all these topics and prepare them. In actual exam, this is going to be one of these topics.
So
right?
while I am sitting here, I feel myself that the topic that have been given to you to talk or to address, you should have very much education, or you should have very much material about
it's not about knowledge on the topic. I mean, all the questions which I'm asking you, these questions are general common sense. It's just a common sense, general thing. Now, people decorate their house. Now, for example, if the topic is trees, now, although we know about trees, but we don't talk about them. So, you should have this ability to elaborate your answer. If they ask you questions about flowers, now we use flowers almost every other day, right? But when we talk about flowers, we don't know good vocabulary, good words. So
Yes.
even then you can make do with a couple of names of flowers and all that, right?
Inshallah.
Okay, thank you.